Nowadays people are increasingly sending and sharing files, and to make this easy, what I'm going to show you is under the File tab in the ribbon, you have an option Save and Send. In the Save and Send option, you can easily send this Excel workbook as an attachment just by clicking this button. You can also send it as a PDF file just by clicking this button. But to actually save yourself having to go to File and going to Save and Send, we could add these as shortcuts to our Quick Access toolbar. Unfortunately, we can't right-click them and add them, but I can show you how we can do it. If I go back to the Home tab in the ribbon, I already have the ability to email this spreadsheet as an attachment using my email button, and I got at that by going to the Customize Quick Access toolbar and ticking this email option. But what if I want to email it not as an attachment but as a PDF? Then I would go into More Commands and I would change Popular Commands using this drop down to All Commands. If I then click in this list and hit E for email, I can see what options I've got. Here's email as an attachment, which I already have over here, but here's email as a PDF attachment, so I'll add that one by hitting my Add button. I'd like the two email buttons to be sitting together, so I'm going to use the Move Up button to move this command up. And now my two email options are sitting together, and I can go OK. If I need to email the file as an Excel file, I'll hit this button, and if I want to email as a PDF attachment, I can click this button.